Hi, I'm Caitlin, and I wanted to tell you about this really cool product that we got in this year. It's a heavy-duty tree stand from Treekeeper. It's really cool because it has tons of different features that I think are going to be so helpful when you're decorating your tree. So the first cool thing is it's made of heavy-duty plastic. It has casters on it so that roll around. They are scratch resistant, so your wood floors will be protected, although it also rolls really well on carpet too. It holds trees up to 10 feet, and the cool thing is it's adjustable in so many different kinds of ways. So you can adjust these wheels here so that it fits your tree pole snugly despite the size of your tree pole, so that'll be safe there. And then when you flip it over, if your tree is really large and you do these right here, you can pull this out and make it wider at the base if you're worried about the size of your tree. So what's also cool here is that if your tree is really heavy, if you like lots of decor like we do here at American Sail, hold on, let me get this back on there. If you like lots of decor and your tree is really heavy, it also comes with extra casters. So you could plug these in here too, and then your tree is supported not only on the outside, but in the middle too. This middle caster helps with that as well. So we love this tree stand. It has so many cool features. And one of the nice things about this is if you're like me and you have your tree in a corner at home, you can decorate your tree on the tree stand, get it all decorated all the way around. You don't have to miss the back of your tree like so many of us do. And then you simply roll it into the place where you want it and your tree is set. When it's there, the other feature on this tree stand is that these casters, they lock into place. So you just click all 4 buttons down and then your tree will stay put. Another thing I like about this is if you're indecisive, and you say, you know, maybe my tree would look good in this corner, or maybe my tree would look good over there. You don't have to choose. You can get your tree perfectly decorated and then you can decide. So we love this new stand. We think it's really cool. You put your tree skirt over it. You wouldn't be able to see the plastic. It's not too high. It's beautiful. Tree collars fit around it. It's amazing. So moving on. Okay, so now we have our Treekeeper stand on the tree, as you can see. And the cool thing about it, as I wanted to show you, is that as you're decorating, you don't have to, you know, get your ladder in this inconvenient corner or try to reach around to get the back of your tree too. You can simply rotate your tree as you're working on it. So you can fill this side with beautiful ornaments. You can just keep rotating it and move it around. And when you're done, you can say, you know, I've never tried the tree in this place before. And just move it into your corner. You can move it, you know, decide where you like it, which I think is a really cool feature. Another cool thing about this Treekeeper stand is that it comes in a set. You can either just buy the stand, which is great on its own, or you can buy the stand with a storage bag. It's attached. So as you can see here, we have our tree and our skirt. Looks beautiful, ready for the holiday. Put your presents around it. But it's ready to be stored away, just like this. Once you pull your tree skirt off, you can see the storage bag is already there. It's already on your tree stand. And we just get to pull it up over the tree and push our tree to wherever we want to store it. Okay, so Christmas is over and sadly you have to put your tree away. The tree covering and case, protective case that was just bundled at the bottom around the tree stand, you just expand it and you simply hook these hooks to the top and zip your tree away. And what's great about this is that most ornaments these days are shatterproof, so you don't even have to take the ornaments off of your tree. And then when you're done, you can simply, again, roll it to wherever you want to store it. And it's ready again for next year. At American Sail, we are always looking for the coolest new products to make your decorating easy at the holidays. One of those awesome things this year, again, is this rolling tree stand and the collapsible storage bag, both by Treekeeper. You can either buy them separately or as a set. We hope you enjoy.